Okay, so here we are here on proof number 2. I already have the given written out. So segment TW is congruent to segment MQ, and then segment TU is congruent to segment PQ. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to build off of this real quick, and I'm going to take all those congruencies and change them into equals, okay? So I'm going to go the length of TW is equal to the length of MQ, and then the length of TU is equal to the length of PQ, and that's just by definition of congruence. Okay. So again, guys, that kind of halts us. We don't really have anything to build off of that anymore. So we have to look at our picture and see if we can do anything with segment addition, which I can. All right, so I'm going to write the segment addition for MW or TW and PQ. So I'm going to do this all in one step, okay? So for my third step, I'm going to go ahead and write the segment addition for TW. So I'm going to do TU plus UW equals TW. And then for MQ, I'm going to do MP plus PQ equals MQ. And again, that's through segment addition. So why does that help us? So let's take a look at step 2 and recognize that I have TW is equal to MQ, right? And if you notice, I have TW right here, and so I'm going to take this TU plus UW and plug it in for that TW right there, okay? And same idea, I have MQ right here, I have MQ right there, I'm going to take MP plus PQ, plug it in for that MQ. So what I'm going to get is TU plus UW equal to MP plus PQ, and that's through substitution. Okay. All right, so once again, like, why does that help us? So let's just take a look, all right, at what we're trying to prove. So what we're trying to prove is that UW is congruent to MP, all right, which means that we have to somehow get rid of TU and PQ. But take a look up here, all right? We haven't used everything yet because I have TU is equal to PQ, right? So you can do it either way, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this TU and plug it in for that PQ over there, right? And you'll see it in a second. So I'm going to do TU plus UW equals MP plus TU. And that's again by substitution. So we're going to have a double substitution here, all right? So step 5 is also through substitution. So why would we do that? Well, we need to just get UW and MP by itself, right? But I have TUs on both sides. So what does that mean I can do with those TUs? Well, I can subtract them, all right? So I can subtract TUs from both sides. So I'm going to get UW is equal to MP, and that's through subtraction. And we're one step away because what the prompt is asking us to do is to state that the segments are congruent, not that the lengths are equal. So we have to do one last step and take that UW and set it congruent to MP. And that's by definition of congruence. Okay. All right, that was proof number 2. We have 2 more to go.